Okay, so I'm gonna get myself kind of inside the car. Time-lapse time. You can see me, you see the strut bar, you see it on there. Rigidity, handling, that's what we're after. So I added that there too. I'm adding one in the front for the same company. Let me go ahead and clean this off real quick. I got little microfibres back here. Clean this off a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna add like a sticker on there, even though I do like seeing the company that you buy the stuff from on some parts, but I got a little slap I'm gonna add right there. I don't know which one. I buy from Car Drugs. If you don't know the Instagram, go follow it. Fire slaps. Yo, and that's it. CarQuicks. Peace.